Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture size 4 into 4 in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then zoom out the document. Now we can see here a image. Now we want to make the size 4 into 4. Select the image, go to the picture format menu and select the size and properties drop down menu. Check mark of the lock aspect ratio and select the height and width and write 4 by 4. Then press enter, then close the window. Now we can see we make the picture size 4 into 4 very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.